Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Holden Barina, stock number 6309. It's ran from the 10th 2010 to the 6th 2015. It has a B12D 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a B12D 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard has damage. Front bonnet has light scratches. Left front damaged wheel. Left front door mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 14-inch thick alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 14-inch thick alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door 5 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front tyre is damaged. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.